What's going on, guys? Well, here it is. Tesla Model Y Performance. And I just put some of these on here. They're made by Carwiner on Amazon. And right now I think they have a 20% off coupon.
Here's the Carwiner mud flaps for the Tesla Model Y. As you can see, it's $24.99 and there's a coupon for 20% off. Comes with special tools. They're really good. You'll see in the video.
I mean, it ain't the best, but you know, for 20 bucks, what do you expect? So if you look in there, there's two clips right there, and then this clips to the exterior molding. I put the driver's side on already. The passenger side I have not put on yet. That's what it looks like to begin with. I just didn't want any road debris coming up. I see over here it's already starting. This is the front wheel up there, and this is the back wheel, of course. But look, right here it kind of scoots out. So you see where that front tire is. So that means this panel is going to take a beating if you don't have something. I tried to order PPF to put on the side, but they're out of stock, so this is the next best thing. Maybe these $20 mud flaps will catch a couple, you know, $100 rocks, so to speak. But here's everything that came in the kit. This is the front one. This is the rear one. That's the rear one. You tell the rear one because it has a bolt on the bottom side of right there somewhere. So that's the rear. This is the front. On the passenger side, the kit's pretty cool, man. They give you all these little plastic clips. So like you put this in first. Put that in first in the holes, and then these little locator studs lock into place. And I heard a lot of people online talking about this. See how that's got a Phillips head on it? Okay, so if you look at the round head on that, there's no way for you to get, like, if this ever has to come out, there's no way for you to get a screwdriver or a panel, trim panel removal tool behind that nut. The reason why that has a Phillips head on there is so you can take it out. You use a Phillips head screwdriver, it's got threads, and you back it out. That's what that is. Okay, so my tools are 3/8 ratchet and a 10mm. The box, I don't know, they included these directions. It says Tesla puddle lights installation steps. I didn't order any puddle lights, although I might. By the way, Carwiner, not sponsored, but it's pretty good stuff. They include this mounting tape. It's like a cheap 3M, but it's clear. So I guess you could put it on the leading edge, like if you were, you know, OCD about this edge is pretty sharp. Like, and you know, when it comes out of the mold, they trim the flash off. That's what like this stuff is. That's flashing from the mold of the. Of course, there's flashing inside the box, but when it comes out of the mold, you know, there's going to be a little bit of extra. So whoever pops it out of the mold, they usually take a knife and just run it down to clean up the edges. So like this is flashing. See how that bolt hole doesn't look perfect compared to the other ones? That's flashing. The only reason I know all this, my uncle used to own a plastics plant. And I worked there for a couple of summers. But I mean the plastic is, I mean it's stiff, but it's pliable. It's not, you know, like if you hit it, it's not gonna break, and it's bendable, to the point where if you bend it too far, it's not gonna leave like a white crease. Like if you over flex some plastic sometimes, it'll the stress from it'll leave a white crease. But I mean, for 20 bucks, what do you want, you know? Okay, so let me, where's that? They include you a little screwdriver. I don't know what the hell I did with it. What's that? Oh, look at that. They even give you a little wrench for that 10 millimeters. Here it is. A little tiny screwdriver to get rid of the. So you just want to get in here. If you look, there's a flat side, and you just kind of pry out and you get the whole package. Look at that. That's what you want right there, the whole package. You don't want to be digging. I think you can see that one. Let me see if I can zoom in. See how that has a little flat edge? It looks like you could get a blade of a screwdriver in there. That's what you want. You just stick that thing in there like that. And just pry out. Oop. Nope, hold on. I'll have to turn the camera off and come back. Okay, there we go, I got it. I don't have my GoPros, my GoPro batteries are dead. So I can use my cell phone. Okay, so these are junk. And we need the front one, which is this. If you look on the back of this, for Model Y front right. So we're going to need that. Two of these. I'll set you guys down just for a second. Okay, so you want to line that tab up and get it over there, and then kind of look and see where the holes are unofficially, and just take that one piece kind of root around in there and see if you can find them. Way over there. There it is. Alright, then you take that. And I don't know, like, I know there's probably women watching this video or whatever, but if you can't push one of those things in there, like Obsessed Garage says, maybe have your wife come out and help you. You know what I mean? That's got a nice finish. About the same color as the plastics of the car too. Okay, now the back one's a little bit different. Back we're gonna need 10 millimeter. Set it down for a second. Millimeter, and we want to take out this bolt. There it is, right there. See it right there? Alright, let me take this bolt out and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, fender bolt is out. It is a fender bolt. Or a body bolt. Okay, so back over here, get the mini screwdriver. Pop that out. Ooh, that one shot right out of there. Where'd that sucker go? There it is. Alright, there they are. The two old ones. We'll get two fresh new ones. And the mud flaps. Clip over there. Push that in. Let me set you guys. Okay, there we go. I got it. It's just going in there a little bit crooked for some reason. Alright. There's where you're gonna put the right there. That's where the fender bolt goes. Something missing there. There we go. That's good and tight. All right, that's it. Whew. That's how it looks. That's how they look from the front. Yeah, looks all right. That's how that one looks from the front. That's how that one looks from the rear. Shot there. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be more Tesla content coming. I don't know what my plans are. I figure I'd start with the mud flaps and the I bought this little cover just to keep stuff from sliding around. It's got some rubber on it. Keep stuff from sliding around in the back. So. All right. Clean up the mess. And I'll talk to you guys in the future with more videos coming. That's what it looks like from the inside. I'll put some seat covers on there. But, alright. Talk to you guys. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Appreciate it.